Did you know that prestige fragrances can last up to 4 hours on your skin? Today I'm going to share with you 4 tips from Michel Germain that will help you make your perfume last longer. Number 1. Spritz your fragrance on freshly showered skin. Fragrance loves freshly showered skin. The oils in the perfume or cologne cling to the skin better when it's clean and bare. Number 2. Layer your perfume with its matching body lotion. The oils and moisture in the body lotion keeps the perfume oils from drying out over time. Make sure it's made with the matching scent. Any other lotion will change the scent in your fragrance. Number 3. Know what type of skin you have. Fragrance lasts longer on people with oily skin, while those with dry skin need more fragrance to have the same effect. If you have oily skin, your natural oils do the same thing as the perfume's matching body lotion. Keep your perfume hydrated and emanating its beauty. If you have dry skin, you don't have enough oils to keep your perfume fragrant all day. Number 4. Carry a purser or travel spray. Use a travel spray to spritz it up once or twice during the day. Just make sure that when you do layer on more scent, stick to a couple of spritzes. You want a soft, even scent. Plus, remember, the fragrance you put on in the morning is still there, just a little less noticeable. How do you know you have the perfect amount of fragrance on? You should be able to smell your fragrance in soft, even, occasional whiffs. Thank you for watching, and these are 4 tips to make your perfume last longer by Michel Germain.